Hey you guys, I'm just gonna pop on and make a small video about my skincare. So recently I did a Q&A on my Instagram story and I got so many questions about my skincare and what I do post makeup and all of that. So I will just quickly walk you through what I do when it comes to my skincare. Now, one thing you all have to understand is that acne scars and acne marks and acne and all of that, it's gonna keep coming and going, right? And when you do have acne, it's gonna leave a blemish or two when it fades away. So you have to understand ki it's always going to be there. You are not going to have the glass like skin that you see on screen, because this is what I look after makeup, okay? And also you have to understand that when you're filming, there are filters and stuff. You are not seeing what I see when I get very close to the mirror. You are not seeing the pores and all, but 100% trust me, I have pores like anyone else. But I do have a skincare routine, so I'm just going to tell you guys quickly the things that I do. Now again, a few of these products are something that you need to talk to your dermat before you invest in them. But yeah, let me just quickly tell you what I do for my skin, and that works for my skin. Okay, now I do get acne here and there, and for that I have this cream. It is a daffodil and benzol peroxide. It's benzol peroxide and adapalene. I really hope I'm pronouncing it right. But I use this gel cream on my acne. So what it does is it basically just dries out your acne, and the acne goes away in a day or two. So the cream is really good, and benzol peroxide is basically a really good ingredient when it comes to acne. So if you are having acne, your dermat will probably be telling you some cream which has benzol peroxide. So yeah, that's what I use when I do have an active acne. And yeah, it does take a day or two for them to kind of go away. And when they do go away, it leaves a mark, which is normal. You just have to, deal with it, wait it out, and it will go away in a week or two. Now, the next cream that I use is this. It is Retino A 0.05%. Now you get one which is zero point 0.5, which is this, and one is 0.025, like 0.05. So yeah, those are the two creams that you get, at least from what I know. I used to use the 0.025 wala pehle, and now I'm using this. Now Retino A has retinol in it, which is a very good ingredient for your skin in terms of anti-aging, in terms of blemishes, in terms of a bit more glowing skin. So when you apply this cream, it will give you a bit more of that glow when you wake up in the morning. But you have to understand that this cream will make your skin very sensitive. So don't apply it every single night. Maybe apply it like twice a week or thrice a week, and apply very little amounts, like probably half a pea size. That is how much you need to apply for your whole face and neck. So it's not a lot, it's very little, but yeah, it's really good for your skin. So that's my night cream, really. That's what I apply at night. Now that's kind of more the dermat side, I guess, of what I apply for my skin. Other than that, next thing I use is bio oil. Bio oil is very good for like blemishes and scars and all of that. And also in winters, now our skin is going to become more dry, so you need something that's like really going to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. So for that, I like to use bio oil. As you can see, I have finished like a lot of it because I genuinely use this. Even before makeup, I will apply it sometimes. Sometimes I go with Cetaphil moisturizer, which you see in most of my videos. But if not that, I use bio oil. And you don't need a lot. This one small bottle goes like a really, really long way. So yeah, that's what I apply for my skin. And it really, I personally feel that it really helps with your scars and blemishes and the pigmentation and stuff. It does take time, but it works, is what I personally feel. So yeah, that's what I do. Other than that, I will use aloe vera gel sometimes. Now it really depends how and when I use it. Not every day. I don't use aloe vera gel every day, but I don't know, like on random days and I feel like my skin needs a little bit extra moisturizer, or I just feel like it, I guess I will apply aloe vera gel, because aloe vera gel I know is really good for your skin. Now if you have a aloe vera gel ka plant and you can just cut a small piece from that and use it, is going to be 100 times better, because this has like fragrance and preservatives and all of that. So if you have a plant with you, go for that. Don't use the ones that in the dabba. Now, I don't have a plant personally. I don't have the time to take care of a plant and stuff. So I have this thing. But if you have a plant, go for it. If you don't have a plant, get some aloe vera gel. It's really good for your skin. Now, one extremely important thing that I do every single day without fail is apply a sunscreen. Now, this one is from Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, and this has SPF 50. Now, I used to not apply sunscreen earlier, but then I think since I started makeup, I've started applying sunscreen, because I think I understood the importance of skincare honestly after you starting to use makeup. So yeah, apply a sunscreen. It is so important, and it this like I mean, if there's one thing that I would like really recommend that you take away from this video, is start using a good sunscreen or a good sunblock. It's really important. Our skin needs it. The UV rays and all are extremely bad. The pollution is out of control. You all know that. So yeah, a sunscreen is extremely important. So yeah, do get a good sunscreen. Don't get a matte and all one right now in the winters. Get something that has like a hint of moisture. Even in the winters, even when you're staying in the house, make sure you apply a sunscreen every single day. And my last thing is a good lip balm. So I mean, I keep changing my lip balms all the time. I keep stealing my mom's lip balm. Now this is something that I got recently, and I think I've really started liking this lip balm. This is from Nivea Essential Lip Balm, and I don't know, but this it doesn't mention anywhere, but this thing has like mint in it, which is pretty cool. It feels very cool on your lips and stuff. So yeah, a good lip balm. And that is pretty much my skincare routine. Now there are obviously like a few other things I do here and there which are not really my skincare routine, but I do them and they kind of help my skin get better. So I will be filming it in bits and parts, because there are like so many things. I mean, y'all can imagine I apply makeup every single day, like 5 times a day, and then I have to do like, you know I'm applying different things, I'm removing makeup with different makeup removers and stuff. So that is my current skincare. That is what I apply to my skin almost every single day. So yeah, I hope it helps you guys, and you all can take away something from this video. And that's it for the video, guys. Bye bye.